So, welcome students of class 10th with the new chapter, chapter number 12, areas related to circles. Students, in previous video, previous video was related to this chapter, and the video was in class, means recording was done in class, and we have already started this chapter. We have solved some question from 12.1 and 12.2, but in this lecture, which is authorized lecture and lecture number 43, we once again want to tell you some things about the chapter areas related to circles. So you know students, we have a circle. If radius is r, then its area is equal to pi r square and circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Okay students, and similarly if we have another circle and this is radius and OA and OB are two radii, and if this angle is theta, then the area between two radii and this arc is called sector. Okay students, and we can say this is minor sector and the remaining portion is major sector. And you know, area of sector is equal to pi r square theta upon 360, and length of this arc, in the previous video we have discussed in detail. Length of arc is equal to 2 pi r theta upon 360. It can be written as pi r theta upon 180. Similarly, perimeter of this sector, P for perimeter. Perimeter of sector is equal to r plus 2 pi r theta upon 360. Okay students, so it was sector. Similarly students, I would like to tell you about segment. So here students, we will saw segment. If any circle is divided by any chord, this is chord, then there are two parts and each part is called segment, and this is major segment, where this is minor segment. Or students, now we have formula to find area of segment. So students, this is called minor segment, and its formula is pi r square theta upon 360 minus 1 upon 2 r square into sin theta. So this is important formula to find area of segment directly. Students, I think it is very clear, and if you want to find area of major segment, then you should subtract this minor segment to find major segment. That is, we can say that area of major segment is equal to area of circle minus area of minor segment. So this is the way to find each part of segment. Similarly, we will find each part of sector. So okay students, so though I have already told you in previous video, but think this is the revision. Okay, note down the formula. Students, so now we have taken question number 2 of 12.1. You know, in previous video we have solved some questions, and but here we want to tell you second question. Second and first both are same on same patterns, and 12.1 consists of 5 questions students. So I think I am telling you about question number second, and with the help of this question, you will solve first, third, and remaining also. And remember, in previous video, question number 4 was solved, and after taking this question, we will solve 12.2. Okay. So first of all, read question carefully. The radius of two circles, the radii of two circles are 8 centimeter. Here is 8 and 6 centimeter. Find the radius of circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles. So students, here we have to find the radius of circle. Which circle? New circle. Suppose this is new circle whose radius is unknown, R3. We don't know R3. We have to find R3. But from where this circle comes? This circle comes from these two circles which has R1 and R2 two radii. R1 is equal to 8 centimeter and R2 is equal to 6 centimeter, students. And according to question, area of this circle plus area of that circle is equal to area of न्यू सर्कल. तो स्टूडेंट्स, इस क्वेश्चन में ये कहा गया है, इस क्वेश्चन में कि वी हैव टू सर्कल्स. हमारे पास दो सर्कल हैं ऑफ डिफरेंट रेडियाइज 8 सेंटीमीटर एंड 6 सेंटीमीटर. इन दोनों का एरिया का सम, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इन दोनों का हम एरिया निकालें, इनका सम करेंगे तो जो टोटल एरिया आएगा वो इस सर्कल के इक्वल है, विच इज न्यू सर्कल, एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द रेडियस ऑफ दिस सर्कल. तो इन दिस केस, इन क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, area is given. Okay students, but in first question circumference was given. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या था? circumference given था. वहाँ क्या करना था? इन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन C1 प्लस C2 इज इक्वल टू C3 करना था. circumference ऑफ फर्स्ट सर्कल प्लस circumference ऑफ सेकंड सर्कल इज इक्वल टू circumference ऑफ थर्ड सर्कल. ओके, तो इट वाज हिंट. इट इज हिंट स्टूडेंट्स. तो हियर वी कैन राइट pi r1 square plus pi r2 square is equal to pi r3 square. Okay students, this is the way how to solve. Now putting the values of r1 r2, pi r1 means 8 square plus pi r2 means 6 square is equal to pi r3 square. Now pi is cancel out after taking common. 8 square plus 6 square is equal to pi into r3 square. Pi cancel out. 8 is just 64 plus 10. 64 plus 36 is equal to r3 square. Or students, r3 is equal to under root 100 because the sum of both the numbers is 100. So r3 becomes 10 centimeter is the radius, and this is your answer. So r3, that is r3 means the radius of new circle which is formed after summing up the areas of two circle, and radius is 10 centimeter. This is the answer. So okay students, so we have solved it, and I hope first question of same exercise you will solve. Okay, and students, write down. So students, now I hope you have written it. I would like to tell you a new formula which is area of ring. Suppose you are given a ring shaped structure like this. Suppose students, you have a ring shape structure. This is R1 and the radius second is R2. And in case of ring like structure, circles are concentric. Concentric means having different radii but same center. Okay, so if you want to solve the area of this shaded portion, then certainly you will find formula area of shaded portion, a shaded part is equal to pi capital R square minus small r square. Here capital R is R2 but small r is R1. So you can write pi R2 square minus R1 square. Okay students? So write this formula. And certainly this formula will help you to solve question number 3, which question belongs to archery, means shooting place or shooting target. So in that question you will given some target bands, and you will have to find the area of these bands like structure, means a type of ring. So there you will use formula pi capital R square minus small r square. Okay students, so this is hint for third question. Okay, so now write. So now students, we have question number 5 of 12.2, and question first, second, third was solved in previous video. I do hope you will watch complete video. Yeah, you had watched full video to understand how to solve questions first, second, third, etc. But we have question number 5 to be continue. Question is, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter and arc subtends and angles of 60 degree at the center, we have to find 1, 2, 3, that is the length of an arc. First of all, we have to find length of an arc. Second, area of sector formed by arc, that is simply area of sector. And third, area of segment formed by corresponding chords. You know, chord of circle form 2 segments, and in this case we will find area of minor segment. To see question through diagram, we have a circle and radius, this radius is R. OA and OB is the name of radius, and radius is equal to 21 centimeter. Angle between these two radii is 60 degree. Okay, and this is an arc, and B represents this length of the arc by L. And first question, first part we have to find the length of arc. Okay students, now in second part we have to find this area. The area of this part is called area of sector. Sector is minor sector. So in first part we will find the length of an arc, and in second part we will solve for area of sector. Okay, so let's see how to solve. Then after solving both the parts, we will try to find third part. Now length of arc, that is L, LENGTH, length of arc is equal to 2 pi r theta upon 360. Okay, students, you can write this formula as pi r theta upon 180. Both are correct. And putting the values of pi, I think remember we will use pi as 22 upon 7 until you are asked to use pi is equal to 3.14. Okay students, now pi is here 22 upon 7 multiplied by radius 21 and theta 60 upon 180. So okay students, see here is equal to we can write 22 upon 7 and in denominator 180 multiplied by 2160. Now 22, 2160 and 7 into 180. 63 ja, 7 3 ja, 3 3 cancel out. It means 22 centimeter is the length of an arc. So okay students, this is first answer. So write this. हाँ, तो आफ्टर सॉल्विंग फर्स्ट पार्ट स्टूडेंट्स वी विल सॉल्व सेकंड पार्ट, एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर फॉर्म बाय आर्क। तो स्टूडेंट्स द पॉइंटेड पोर्शन डिनोट्स एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर। तो नाउ एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर and students you know this area of sector is called minor sector. So similarly we will use here formula area of sector is equal to pi r square theta upon 360. Now put the values of different quantities 20 upon 7, 22 upon 7 into radius 21 square and theta 60 upon 360. Okay students. Now it can be written as 22 upon 7 into 360 in denominator and in numerator 21 into 21 into 60. 21 square can be written as 21 into 21. Now 60 6 ja and 7 3 ja, 3 2 ja, 2 11 ja. Now finally 11 into 21, 11 multiplied by 21 students. So here we will get 11 into 21, that is 231 centimeter square is second answer. So with the help of this formula students we have solved successfully the area of sector. Answer is 231 centimeter square. Write this solution and I hope you will solve other questions with the help of these tricks or method. Okay. So now students we have last part to solve. We have solved first part. Its answer was I think 22 centimeter and answer of second part was 231 centimeter square. Now we are solving third part, area of segment found by corresponding chord. Students in this diagram first of all we draw a chord AB. Students AB is chord and this chord form two segments. Number one, this is first segment. Okay. So now we will find the area of this segment which is minor segment. Now area of segment is equal to formula students you have been already told. The formula to find the area of segment pi r square theta upon 360 minus 1 upon 2 r square into साइन थीटा. तो ये है आपका फार्मूला स्टूडेंट. तो इन दिस फार्मूला वी विल पुट द वैल्यूज एंड यू नो दिस इज नथिंग बट एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर एंड वी हैव एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर 231. यू कैन पुट वैल्यू डायरेक्टली. आप डायरेक्टली भी इसकी वैल्यू पुट कर सकते हैं बट वंस अगेन 22 upon 7 multiplied by 21 square into 60 upon 360 minus 1 upon 2 into 21 square and here sine 60 degree. Okay students, to put the values. So students now we will solve here. So we rub up it. Now students see here, this portion can be solved or you have solved just as 231 minus here 1 upon 2 into 21 into 21 and the sine 60 is root 3 upon 2. See here students, pi r square theta upon 360, if you simplify this you will get finally 231. 1 upon 2, 21 square and root here 21. Okay. Now 231 minus 21 into 21 441. 441 upon 4 into root 3. So students, you will put the value of root 3, and root 3 is 1.732. We solve it, but write then. So students, here I think in NCERT book answer is this, centimeter square. This is the answer of third part. But you can solve further after putting the value root 3. You know, root 3 is equal to 1.732. But if the root 3, the value of root 3 is not given, it means we have summarized the solution up to this point. So finally, students, we got answer this. So by this way, we have finalized, we have solved successfully all three parts of this question, and I hope this solution will help you certainly to solve some more questions. So okay, pause it and write the solution. So students, now with the help of this question, we will solve question number 6, etc. But question number 7 is not a part of your syllabus, and here I would like to summarize this lecture, and now we will solve some more questions in new lecture, next lecture, lecture number 44. So students, be ready to solve, to watch full video, and to solve more and more questions from your both books. Okay students, I hope you will do so, and take care of yourself. Thanks.